Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn about the Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn and understand the achievements of Vijayanagara kings and also administration, social and economic conditions and literature of the Vijayanagara period. And we are going to know the art and sculpture of the Vijayanagara period. No, and we are going to know about the religious equality, how they have maintained the religious equality by the Vijayanagara kings, and also we are going to learn how to mark the borders of Vijayanagara Empire in the on the map. These are all the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. First, we are going to learn about where this Vijayanagara Empire was founded. See, this Vijayanagara Empire was founded in the year 1336 AD. Understood? See, where it is, when it was founded in the year 1336 AD. Okay, and where it is located means southern bank of Tungabhadra river by the sun. It is located southern bank of Tungabhadra. Understood? Southern bank of Tungabhadra river. And by whom it is created? By the sons of Sangama called Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kempanna, Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kempanna, Marappa and Muddappa. Understood? These all the people has founded this Vijayanagara Empire. And also where their capital is located. The Vijayanagara Empire capital is Hampi. Hampi of Ballari district. Hampi is the capital of Vijayanagara Empire. This is located in Ballari district. Understood? And their national emblem was, see, their capital is Hampi and their national emblem was boar. Understood? Boar in the sense Varaha. See, this is the national emblem of Vijayanagara Empire. Understood, children? This one. See, during the period of 1336 and 1646 CE, Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by the four main dynasties. Those four main dynasties are Sangama dynasty and Saluva, and third one is Tuluva, and the fourth one is Aravida. Understood? These four dynasties has ruled the Vijayanagara Empire in the period of 1336 to 1646. Clear? First we are going to learn about the Sangama dynasty. See, this Sangama dynasty was ruled from 1336 to 1485 CE. See, in that the first one is Harihara and Bukka. We are going to learn about the Harihara and Bukka. Harihara is the first king of the this dynasty. Understood? First he has taken the control over the Tungabhadra river, and after that he has expanded his empire to Konkan coastal area of the west and Nellore and Kadapa of east, and next one is Krishna river of the north and Kaveri river of the south. Understood? Like this he has expanded his kingdom and has given the strong foundation for the empire. Understood? After the death of the Harihara, Bukka, he is the brother of Harihara. Understood? This Bukka has ruled this empire from 1357 to 1377 CE. See, Harihara don't have not having the sons. That's why after the Harihara death, the Bukkaraya has taken the power of, that means he became the king of this empire. Understood? During his rule, his son Kempanna widened the empire by defeating the Sultan of Madurai. Understood? His son Kempanna, he has fighted with the Madurai Sultan, and he has defeated and he has widened the empire. That means he has expanded the empire. Understood? About this war, they have mentioned in the book of Madura. See, Madura Vijayam, understood? In the book of Madura Vijayam, this Madura Vijayam has written by his queen. Understood? Who is his Kempanna's queen? Ganga Devi. Understood? This book is written by Ganga Devi. Bukka. See, Bukka has captured the Penugonda by defeating the Reddis. Understood? This Bukka has captured Penugonda place also by defeating the Reddis of Kondavidu. Understood? And including it to Vijayanagara Empire. See, he has defeated that Reddis, that place he has included in the Vijayanagaram Empire. Understood? Shravan Belgula inscription. Inscriptions means we will give this inscriptions means that will provide us for some information about our history, right? Like that, Shravan Belgula inscription. This is also one inscription. In this inscription, what we are getting the information means it is giving the pacified the conflicts between the Jains and Vaishnavas and maintained religious harmony and equality. About this inscription is giving information for us. Understood? After the Bukkaraya, Harihara, who are all has ruled this kingdom means after Bukkaraya, Harihara II and Bukkaraya II and Virupaksha II, Devaraya I, and next one Veera Vijayaraya. Understood? These are those are all the these all the kings has ruled this Vijayanagara empire. Clear, children?